everybody, let us start reading. Welcome to our channel, Hardback. 17 Camels and 3 Sons. Long ago there lived an old man with his 3 sons in a deserted village, which is located in the vicinity of a desert. He had 17 camels and they were the main source of his income. He used to rent out camels as a means of shipping in the desert. One day he passed away. He had left a will, leaving his assets for his 3 sons. After the funeral and the other obligations were over, the 3 sons read the will. While their father had divided all the property he had into 3 equal parts, but he had divided the 17 camels in a different way. They were not shared equally among the 3, as 17 is an odd number and a prime number, which could not be divided. The old man had stated that the eldest son would owe half of the 17 camels. The middle one will get 1/3 of the 17 camels. And the youngest one will get his share of camels as 1/9. All of them were stunned to read the will and questioned each other on how to divide the 17 camels as mentioned in the will. It is not possible to divide 17 camels and give half of the 17 camels to the eldest one. It is not possible to divide the camels for the other 2 sons. They spent several days thinking of ways to divide the camels as mentioned in the will, but none could find the answer. They finally took the issue to the wise man in their village. The wise man heard the problem and instantly found a solution. He asked them to bring all the 17 camels to him. The sons brought the camels to the wise man's place. The wise man added a camel owned by him and made the total number of camels 18. Now he asked the first son to read the will. As per the will, the eldest son got half of the camels, which now counted to 18 by 2 is equal to 9 camels. The eldest one got 9 camels as his share. The remaining camels were 9. The wise man asked the second son to read the will. He was assigned 1/3 of the total camels. It came to 18 by 3 is equal to 6 camels. The second son got 6 camels as his share. The total number of camels shared by the elder sons was 9 plus 6, 15 camels. The third son read out his share of camels. 1/9 of the total number of camels. 18 by 9 is equal to 2 camels. The youngest one got 2 camels as his share. Totally, there were camels shared by the brothers, which is counted as 17 camels. Now the one camel added by the wise man was taken back. The wise man solved his problem smartly with his intelligence. Intelligence is nothing but finding a common ground to solve an issue. In short, every problem has a solution. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hard back and step forward with us.